Dexter is a leading manufacturer in the trailer industry with over 60 years of experience. We specialize in manufacturing trailer running gear that outperforms the competition. Our commitment to safety, dedication to quality, and relentless pursuit of durable products sets us apart from other manufacturers in the marketplace. Our engineering team works tirelessly behind the scenes to validate and improve our products. We strive to innovate and design new products based on their findings. We utilize cutting-edge equipment in our facilities to ensure consistent and accurate manufacturing processes, providing robust and reliable products for your trailer. Our individual component testing and complete system testing ensure that everything works together seamlessly. Our high-wearing components, such as bearings, seals, and springs, are regularly tested to extreme measures to avoid costly breakdowns for our customers. When you choose Dexter, you can be assured of a safe and trouble-free towing experience. Our extensive quality control and testing processes guarantee that Dexter products are built to last. We test everything that comes into and leaves our facilities to ensure our customers the best possible product. Our ISO 9001 certification requires us to follow strict, standardized processes, allowing us to control quality tolerances for almost every component in our finished products. We don't stop at lab testing. We also perform on-road testing, logging thousands of miles yearly to test our products in the harshest real-world conditions. This ensures they can withstand the most demanding environments and provide a smooth and safe towing experience. In a world where performance matters, experience the difference with Dexter.